Well, we're rolling out our digital guest experience program, which of course everybody in the room already has your 7-Eleven app downloaded on your iPhone or Android phone, and went this morning and got your free Pillsbury cinnamon roll with your cup of coffee. But as we roll out that experience, we're finding that we need to be able to present a consistent view of 7-Eleven across all the endpoints, both our 10,000 stores in the U.S. and Canada, as well as the various digital entities that we have, our websites, our mobile websites, our apps, the Slurpee app, of course. So we want to be really consistent there, and so we're working through the next several phases of that project.
So rolling out a loyalty program with mobile across multiple geographies, that's got to have a lot of complex business requirements for success, and then presumably a bunch of technical requirements. Tell us a little bit about that.
It does, and as we started looking forward to the next one, of course, looking at that wide variety of all those different applications, how do you handle the 10 million guests that walk through our doors every single day just in North America alone, and get the speed of the transactions that you need, but of course for me, I knew to be successful on what was a very aggressive timeline, I also needed to be able to shorten my cycles for provisioning the new environments. And as we went through the RFPs to begin doing the work, there was one that came out that talked about using OEM as a way to provision those environments. And instead of the 2 to 3 week that I saw in the other project plan, suddenly I had one morning for provisioning an environment in a project plan.
So as you thought about rolling this out, you got bids from a variety of providers, and folks said, sure, as you think about your software development lifecycle, we can roll stuff out for you in a couple of weeks. And then someone came in, was it Oracle Consulting? Oracle
Consulting Services came in and talked about being able to, their project plan showed it being able to be provisioned in half a day.
Half a day.
Well, that is impressive.
So that's great. And so as you have started to roll through the software development lifecycle, what have you seen?
Well, we were actually able to provision our first next environment in 10 minutes.
10 minutes
was what it took.
And what does that environment look like? What's
it's the full Oracle SOA Suite environment on Exalogic, OEM managing both the SOA Suite, the Exalogic, as well as our Exadata databases.
And so the ability to provision on demand like that in that short amount of time, what's that doing to your development cycles?
Well, it is the only way that we've been able to be successful, stay on track. Even though we had some delays during our requirements and design session, we're continuing to deliver on time. As a matter of fact, the next phase of the project goes live on September 30th.
September 30th, and today is the 24th, and you're here.
And I am here.
So that's good. That means you're not huddled in a room somewhere panicking. So Go Live is feeling good because you've been able to iterate as quickly as you can.
That and the fact that the reporting that we're able to get out of OEM that we've been able to build into it not only gives us the out-of-the-box reporting, but we're able to customize it so we can see the variety of transactions and look at it from so many different layers that we know where we have problems faster.
So not only are you able to turn quickly, but you actually have a set of control and visibility into that stack, even as it changes on an ongoing basis. Wow, that's great. Well, I wish you best of luck with the rollout. Sounds like you're in great shape. Thanks for being here, Ron.
Thank you very much.